Salman Khan just turned Big Boss 19 into a full on Bollywood battlefield. From roasting A. Murgudas over Sikandar's failure to throwing to a savage from Kamla Kya Bhai. Abhinav Kashyap this weekend ka war had everything drama, scasm and pure Salman swagger. Hey everyone, you're watching Indori Nerd and I am Shruti bringing you the juiciest updates straight from the world of Bollywood. If you love spicy talks, inside gossip with some real context, make sure you hit subscribe button and tap that bell icon so you never miss an update. The weekend on Big Boss 19, Salman Khan broke his silence on two controversies at one. A.M. Murgudas blaming him for Sikandar's flop and Abhinav Kashyap's repeated allegations against him. But instead of going serious, Salman chose to respond with his signature bit and some hard hitting sarcasm. When comedian Ravi Gupta asked Salman which movies he regretted doing, he first mentioned his early projects Suryavanshi and Nishchay, but when pressed about recent ones, he named Sikandar, and then things when that's when things got interesting. Addressing Mugudas claims, सलमान said, मैं रात के 9 बजे सेट पे आता था, मेरी पसलियां टूटी थी, इसने कहा गड़बड़ हो गई. Then, with his classic smirk, he added, अब उनकी फिल्म मद्रासी रिलीज हुई है, जिसमें एक्टर 6 बजे पहुंचता था, a clear sarcastic jab and the audience loved it. Salman went on to reveal that Sikandar wasn't just a Mugudas film. Producer Sajid Nadiawala was originally involved too. But according to Salman, both eventually backed out. साजिद पहले कल्टी मुर्गुदास वापस से हट गया. He joked, then come another cheeky punchline. उनकी मद्रासी तो सिकंदर से भी बड़ी ब्लॉकबस्टर है, leaving the housemates and fans cracking up. Next, Salman turned his attention to Dabang's director Abhinav Kashyap, who has been openly criticizing him and even dragging in other big names like Amir and Shah Rukh Khan. With perfect timing, Salman said, एक और है हमारे पास एक दबंग इंसान. मैं पिछले वीकेंड बोला था काम करो तो आज पूछता हूँ काम मिला क्या भाई. The jab was sharp but humorous. Vintage Salman style. Between the jokes and sarcasm, Salman also sent a strong message. He hinted that constant negativity and public attacks could harm careers more than help them. Without naming names, he warned that people who kept targeting others might find themselves isolated in the industry. This wasn't just a casual outburst, it was Salman reclaiming the narrative by turning criticism into comedy. He showed he is still one of Bollywood's most unshakable stars. Expect more ripples from these episodes as fans, critics, and insiders react to every word of his takedown. So, what do you think? Did Salman do the right things by responding on Big Boss, or should he have ignored it? Drop your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this spicy update, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bollywood celebrity showdowns behind the scenes insight.